Thank you for visiting my channel, The Queen Phoenix. The beautiful pattern you see in front of you is called Sedge Stitch. This works up extremely fast and is made up of numerous clusters. Can you see that? So this is the one side. If you turn it the other way, this is it here. It is a reversible stitch. In order to make this, you'll need a multiple of 3 chain for the foundation row, and you need to just add 1 more chain to it. Grab your hook and your yarn and let's make it. You'll start just by making a slip knot. I'm going to make a total of 20 and add 1 chain more, which will be 21. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'd like to take a moment just to invite you to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. This channel is regularly updated with free patterns and tutorials, just like the one we're making today, completely free. If you have any suggestions or comments, please drop it in the comments box and I will definitely answer it. If you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. Okay, row 1. You're going to skip the first 2 chain. And into the next chain, you're going to make the following stitches. A half a double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. And 1 double crochet into the very same stitch. You're going to skip the 2 chain. In the next stitch, you're going to make a single crochet and a half a double crochet and a double crochet. So you've got your 3 stitches into there. A single crochet, a half a double crochet, and a double crochet stitch. Skip 2 chain. And make 1 single crochet. Now you're going to repeat this. In the same stitch where you made your single crochet, please make a half a double crochet and a double crochet, and that is your repeat pattern. So you will repeat, skip 2 into the 3rd chain, single crochet, half a double crochet and a double crochet all in 1 stitch. Skip 2 into the 3rd one, single crochet, half a double crochet and a double crochet. Again, skip 2 into the 3rd one, single crochet, half a double crochet and a double crochet. So this is what you have so far. Skip in your last 3 chain, skip 2 and make a single crochet. So that's row 1. Row 2, chain 1 and please turn your work. Into the very first stitch, you're going to make a half a double crochet and 1 double crochet. You're going to skip the double crochet that you made from the previous row, the half double crochet, and into the single crochet, you're going to work a single crochet, a half a double crochet, and a double crochet. Again, you're going to skip 2 stitches and into the 3rd, which is the single crochet, you'll make 1 single crochet, a half a double crochet, and 1 double crochet. And you will repeat that until you get to the end of your row. So skip 2 stitches into the single crochet of the previous row, a half a double crochet, and a double crochet. Again, skip 2, right to the end, please. This is a very light stitch. When I say light, although there's no like holes that you can see, you know, gaps, it's still very light textured. It's perfect for a sweater. Again, skip 2, a single crochet into your 3rd stitch, a half a double crochet, and 1 double crochet into that stitch. Now you're going to have your first cluster of the previous row, which is a double crochet skip the half a double crochet, and in the turning chain 1 that you made of the previous row, please make 1 single crochet. That is all there is to the stitch. You will repeat rows 1 and 2 until you get to the end or your desired length that you need. Remember, row 2 starts with a half a double crochet and 1 double crochet. Again, skip 2 stitches, single crochet into the 3rd stitch, half a double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip 2 into the 3rd, single crochet, half a double crochet, and a double crochet, and continue that until you get to the end of your row. Very simple stitch. I was just getting some yarn there, or if you call it wool, depending on where you come from. 1, 2 into the 3rd one. Very repetitive, very quick to pick up. Into your into your last stitch. Right at the end, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and turn your work. That's it. Very, very easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, comment. And when you try this and you upload it, please tag me in your video so I can see what you're doing. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Enjoy crocheting.